Welcome to HFCL, your hub for cutting-edge optical fiber technology. With advanced facilities in Goa, Chennai and Hyderabad, HFCL leads the way in innovation, ensuring seamless connectivity for a hyper-connected future. In the dynamic world of telecommunications, our success lies in the design and efficiency of our optical fiber solutions. Explore our range, designed for various applications. Now, let's delve into our specialized fibers. HFCL 2D Optical Fiber, low water peak attenuation single mode fiber, ideal for high-speed networks, meeting or exceeding ITU-T G652D standards. HFCL A1 Optical Fiber, 250 micron low bend sensitivity, adheres to ITU-T G657A1 standards, featuring low water peak attenuation. HFCL A1 190 Optical Fiber is a reduced diameter, single mode fiber that combines high bend resilience, low attenuation loss, and full compatibility with existing networks, making it ideal for high-density applications. HFCL A1 Optical Fiber is a single-mode fiber which offers superior macro-bending performance that exceeds the ITU-T G657A1 standards. HFCL A2 Optical Fiber, enhanced bend-insensitive single-mode fiber engineered for high density, meeting or exceeding ITU-T G657A2 standards. HFCL A2 180-190 Optical Fiber is a G657A2 bend-resilient single-mode fiber with a smaller diameter, offering high bend sensitivity, lower losses, and enhanced data transmission in high fiber density applications with sharp bends. Now, explore HFCL's optical fiber cable solutions for various network scenarios. Our core network cables offer versatile fiber capacity, prolonged life, UV resistance, and seamless installation, perfect for demanding network environments. Our range of core network solutions include 144 fiber count armored cable, 48 fiber count multi-tube armored dry core underground cable, 288 fiber count flat ribbon armored cable, and 96 fiber count micro module duct cable. Access Network Solutions provide high fiber density, installation flexibility, extreme temperature endurance, and moisture protection. Our Access Network Solutions include 864 fiber count multi-tube micro cable, 288 fiber count micro module ADSS cable, 288 fiber count multi-tube unarmored dry core duct cable, and 96 fiber count ultra lightweight cable. Last Mile Solutions offer flexibility, safety features, and future scalability, ensuring reliability in diverse conditions. This range includes 12 fiber count nano blown cable, 1 fiber count flat drop steel wire cable, 4 fiber count flat drop cable, and 24 fiber count unitube drop blown cable. In-building solutions provide diverse fiber options, smaller outer diameters, and faster installation, making them reliable for connectivity within buildings. This includes our 2 fiber count FTTH multi-mode single sheath drop cable, 12 fiber count breakout armored cable, 2 fiber count duplex cable, and 1 fiber count simplex cable. Data Center Solutions offer high fiber count options, faster deployment, and compliance with industry standards for compact, high-density solutions. 864 fiber count IBR armored cable and 1728 fiber count central core outdoor IBR cable are part of our data center solutions. Defense cabling solutions ensure reliability and adaptability in harsh environments, meeting the stringent requirements of defense applications. The defense cabling solutions include 1 fiber count multi-mode high-clad silica cable and 4 fiber count single sheath armored military tactical cable. Beyond cables, HFCL stands at the forefront of manufacturing high-quality products for passive optical networks, providing faster and better communication solutions. Fiber cable assemblies provide seamless connectivity for optimal network performance. HFCL also offers copper cable assemblies, ensuring seamless installations in network infrastructures. Also, our cabinets ensure efficient network operations with structured fiber management. Joint closures contribute to network robustness with compatibility across various cable constructions and environments. Designed for seamless integration in structured cabling and PoE applications, our Ethernet cabling products offer high-speed data transfer and superior signal integrity. HFCL also offers various types of optical splitters based on planar light wave technology, thereby enhancing network efficiency. Our aerial cable accessories ensure reliable and secure cable installations. With a focus on durability, reliability, and adaptability, HFCL ensures connectivity that meets the evolving needs of the telecommunications industry. Visit our website hfcl.com to know more.